welcome to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be cooking some delicious creamy Creole style red beans and rice. So the beans are cooking now. I soaked them overnight. Now I'm cooking them. I've got 2 bay leaves in here. I put some Creole seasoning in here, and I'm just letting the beans cook. And to make them creamy, all you do is smash the side of the pot with some of the beans. Just smash them on the side, or you can take them out, put them in a bowl, smash them up, and then put them back in here. So that's the way. That's how you make them creamy. All right, so they're cooking. They've been cooking for about an hour now. I'm gonna let them cook some more until they get really, really soft, and then I'm gonna add my sausage in a few minutes. So we'll come back after we add the sausage. Okay, this is the sausage that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna cut up. It's just original sausage. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up and start slicing. It's still kind of frozen, so I don't know how well that's gonna work, but we'll see. I'm just gonna slice through the bag, just like this. The best way to get it open. Okay, pull these sausage out, and I'm gonna slice them up into pretty good sized pieces. Okay, now what I do is I just line it up and slice them together like that. Okay, just slice and dice, chop and swap. That's all you gotta do. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna do these. Okay, do these. I'm gonna make them some pretty good sized pieces. Okay, let's put some more. Put some more in there. Get another piece. Okay, just gonna slice it like that. Then slice it like that. It's frozen. And slice it like that. And that looks like enough to go in the pot. So now we're going to put it in the pot and put this back in the freezer. Okay, so let's go over to the pot. Okay, so we're over here by the pot. I'm going to start putting the sausage in there. Just drop them in. Try not to let it splash back on you and burn your hand. Okay, now I can stir it again. Okay, I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna put the top on it. I'm gonna let it cook some more. Okay, meanwhile, I've taken some beans out. Put them in this cup. I'm just gonna smash them up. Smash them with a fork, or you can use anything you want to use to smash them with, but the fork is easy. Smash them up pretty good. It's gonna make the red beans real creamy. I've got to start cooking my rice too, so I'll get started on my rice. Rice doesn't take long to cook at all. I need to taste these beans and see how well they're seasoned, because I did have to add more water to the pot. So let's taste and see if I need to add more seasoning to it. Yeah, I definitely do. I'm gonna add some more Cajun seasoning to it. Slap your mama seasoning. Add another 2 tablespoons of it to that mixture. It's going to be concentrated. Taste it one more time. It's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Here we go. Add that back. Makes it creamy, like I said. Stir the pot. Now I'm just going to turn it on low and let it cook for about another 30 minutes. And that's what you do. That's how you cook creamy red beans and rice. Okay, my red beans and rice is boiling and it looks like it's ready. I'm going to take the top off of it and I'm going to take a look at it. My rice is already cooking over here in this pot. It's boiling the bag rice. So I've got 2 bags boiling over here and I think they're ready as well. But let's stir up these red beans and rice and these red beans and sausage and see what we're looking at. Yeah, it looks really creamy to me. It looks ready. So I'm just gonna let it boil for a few more minutes. Let some of the liquid cook out of there. Just a few more minutes with the uncovered. And then I'm going to turn that off. And then we've got our rice here. So I'm gonna get that out of the bag and I'm gonna dish this meal out to you guys. Okay guys, and there you have it. Creole style red beans and rice. Doesn't it look delicious? Let's taste it. I need to do a taste test now. Get some rice, get some red beans. So delicious. Okay, I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please like, subscribe, and share. And visit my YouTube page for other easy, quick recipes. And as always, bon appetit.